Lyman Corbett McAnally Jr. was meeting that better than the best challenge long before he wrote that song 30 years ago.
In the town where I was raised, the clock ticks and the cattle graze.
Born in Red Bay, Alabama, McAnally got to Mississippi as fast as he could, moving to Belmont in time to start second grade. By 13, he was playing guitar and piano in nightclubs. By 15, he was writing songs. At 18, he was back in Alabama, a Muscle Shoals session man.
Where I come from, just stay far and get your head out of the stars and go. You get the maximum pleasure from a man among love.
He cut his first album at 20, but it was his songwriting that first drew the attention of country's biggest names, including Jimmy Buffett and Hank Jr. When Alabama took his song Old Flame to #1 in 1981, McAnally became one of Nashville's most reliable one-man hit factories. A triple threat, he played sessions with Roy Orbison, Linda Ronstadt, Dolly Parton, and dozens more. Wrote hits for Sawyer Brown, Reba McEntire, Randy Travis, and Steve Wariner, and produced albums for everyone from Ricky Skaggs to Little Feat. He does all three for Buffett.
Belmont, Mississippi, everybody. Down the street from here, there's a limousine with the morning sun.
Although he's been at his job for 40 years, some of McAnally's biggest successes, including 2 CMA Musician of the Year wins, have been his most recent. He and country superstar Kenny Chesney recorded McAnally's 20-year-old Down the Road, and that #1 duet, McAnally's 6th #1 song, earned a 2010 Grammy nomination for Best Country Vocal Collaboration.
You first.
McAnally is a member of both the Mississippi Musicians Hall of Fame and the Nashville Songwriters Hall of Fame.
Don't forget what it feels like to just knock flat on your back by a song. It's the most wonderful feeling in the world.
Even with all those honors, he remains a working musician, playing sessions, writing songs, touring with Buffett's Coral Reefers, and recently releasing his 11th solo album. Like the song says, it's Mac McAnally's job.
Yeah.